Hello, everybody. Waylon Chavez here with ABQ Premier Properties. And today I just wanted to give you a market update on the real estate market here in Albuquerque and provide you some resources and information. That way you can make an informed decision on whether you want to buy, sell, or invest in a home. And we are at our homepage right now, and there's going to be a link below this video. If you want to click it, it's going to bring you to this page, and it's going to give you a free copy of my book, 6 Ways to Profitably Sell Your Home. And this is the exact same system I use for my sellers to get their home sold for more money in less time with less stress on them. Because that's the ultimate goal, isn't it? More money, less time, and less stress. So let's get into the report today. And what I do is I get it from the Greater Albuquerque Association of Realtors. And this is the basic green sheet for April of 2020. And what I really want to go over is down here, you can see the median sales price, the average sales price. So detached on the medium sales price is 235,000. Over a year ago was 216,000. So we've had a 8.3% increase in just 1 year. But if you move over here to your average sales price, which most homes are being sold for, is 270,245. And from a year ago, it was 259,608, which is a 4.1 increase in value. So that's just in 1 year. And it's pretty amazing to see how the increase is going and how good our economy and real estate market is here in Albuquerque. One more, and a couple more things I want to share with you is the percentage of list price received. And what that means is, say I have a home listed at 250, but it sells for 245 or 248. So sellers in today's market are receiving 98% of their list to sold price ratio, which means they're almost, they're receiving offers at or just right below list price, or that means they're giving some concessions away to do that. And that's up 0.2% from last year. So you can see that number staying steady. So the market is very good for sellers and buyers, but buyers need to come in knowing that the market is really good, it's very strong, and the economy is very good and strong. And if you can see down here, in April, as of April 2020, we had 1,575 detached homes on the market. And over compared to a year ago, we had 2,460 homes, which is a 36% decrease. So we are running on very limited inventory. So if you've been thinking of selling your home, you have questions about it, right now might be the time, because we have low inventory, which means less homes on the market, which means your home is going to be more desirable. You're going to have less competition before the summer months are coming in. And our average days on market in the Albuquerque metro area are 32 days. Compared to last year, we're 42, which is a 23% difference within 1 year. So we have low inventory, we have low days on market, and it's been pretty amazing, the real estate market and inventory here in Albuquerque, and not only for sellers, but for buyers also, because over the long term, you are going to gain wealth. Real estate is one of the best investments and one of the only investments where you can buy it once and it continues to increase while your loan continues to decrease. So many people look at it as and say, well, I'm going to spend, I have a loan for the 30 years of my life. Yeah, but you're going to live somewhere anyway. You're going to pay that anyway. Might as well be on your terms and to create wealth and put wealth in your pocket. So if you click the link below, you can have access to this free ebook. All you got to do is click here, give me the ebook. It's going to send it to you. You're going to add a few things in before that. You're going to hit submit, and it'll send it to you. And if you have any questions, always feel free to reach out to me, Waylon Chavez, with ABQ Premier Properties. And my number is 505-712-1340. And I'm going to put my social media links also in the description. You can find me, connect with me, shoot me a text, whatever it may be. I've owned Albuquerque ABQ Premier Properties for 14 years, been in real estate for 14 years. So I'm my own independent company. I'm a small business. So every client I have the privilege of serving, their money goes right back into our New Mexico economy and not some corporate headquarters out of state. So I want to thank you all so much for joining me, and continue to look at these videos and come back to my page, as I will be doing these a minimum of once a month, but sometimes even more, just to share with you. So thank you so much. And again, Waylon Chavez with ABQ Premier Properties.